Welcome to this video presentation here at Glenbourne's, and here we have the Volkswagen UP on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car. We're going to start off in the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Given the nature of the vehicle, a decent amount of boot space. It's a very deep boot. This tray, for example, can be lifted and removed, and the space underneath there is almost the same as the space above it. So you can remove that tray. You can also fold these rear seats down should you wish to as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and we'll run through, as I mentioned, some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and the fuel gauge over on that right-hand side. Also in the middle, you can see the total mass of this car there, 28,541. If we move over to the central section next, we have the temperature adjustment, fan speed adjustment, and the direction you would like the air distributed in once it enters the car. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can either bring in fresh air from outside the car or recirculate the air that's in it, which is a great way of heating up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. Below that, we then have the stereo. So we have FM and AM radio, a CD player and auxiliary input being just there, and the CD player being here, of course. Some storage, a cup holder, a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.